Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's make this condensed milk cake. I have over 60 ml of vegetable oil. You can make use of 60 grams of melted margarine or butter. I will also be making use of 4 small eggs. You can see the size. If you're making use of big size of eggs, you can use just 3. Then I have 1 lemon zest or orange zest. A pinch of salt, just about a pinch like this. Then I have half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll be making use of sweetened condensed milk. I've already opened it. And this is about 397 grams. Let's just roughly say that this is 400 grams. If you're making use of unsweetened condensed milk, make sure you add some sugar. So I also be making use of vanilla extract. I'll be making use of at least 1 teaspoon. And over here is about 1.5 cups of flour. I'll be putting the measurement in the description box. So let's get right into the baking. So I've already whisked the eggs and I added the vegetable oil. I'm mixing it together because I want to start off with the wet ingredients. Then I'm gradually pouring in the condensed milk. I'll be scooping out everything inside with a teaspoon, just like so. And I'll also be measuring in a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk and whisk everything together. Then start adding the dry ingredients, just like so. Add everything together, sieve in the flour, and give this video a thumbs up. Then combine everything together just like so. Very easy to make. You don't need a mixer to make this cake. You just have to combine everything together and voila, your cake is ready. Then pour in your pan and bake for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes, 170 degrees C for 30 to 35 minutes. So I just checked in now and everything is ready. It is well cooked. So I'll be taking it out. Now I'm slicing it and this is what it looks like. Very spongy. Hope you will try this out. Bye.